going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Daylight by Joji and Diplo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll walk all over your face with my bare-ass, stank-ass feet. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and it's got 3 different parts to it that have just 3 different chord progressions, and they all repeat twice. You have the intro, which is kind of like the first verse, you have the pre-chorus, and then you have the chorus of the song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your intro and your first verse just consists of two guitar chords. It's an E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Your middle finger's on the 2nd fret of the A, and your ring finger's on the 2nd fret of the D. If you're a little more advanced, you can play, I think the actual song is the E minor bar chord. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can use that instead, but for beginners, you can just use E minor. The 2nd chord is going to be G major. It's 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. It just alternates between those 2 chords. With 2 down strums. It's very simple. You can strum through that more if you'd like to, but in the song it's just down, 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 down. And again, if you want to down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. You can add more strumming there if you want, but in the song it is just... Now after your verse, it jumps into the pre-chorus of the song. Again, the verse happens twice in the song, and then once more as the outro. The pre-chorus happens twice right after the verses, and then the chorus happens. Your pre-chorus chord progression is going to be C major. It's 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then D major, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Back to C major. D major, and then B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. It's a bar chord. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger. Ring finger's on the 4th fret of the D. Your pinky's on the 4th fret of the G, and your middle finger's on the 3rd fret of the B. Now your strumming pattern for the pre-chorus is going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. And that's the entire pre-chorus. Next up is your chorus. It's using a lot of the same chords and the same strumming pattern. It starts on a C major, then goes to that G major, then D major, and then B minor, C major again, E minor, and then D. And that's the entire chord progression for the chorus. And again, that strumming pattern is the same. It's down, 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 up, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, down. And that's the entire chorus. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.